Welcome to T-Systems India. T-Systems is a subsidiary under Deutsche Telekom with international presence in more than 20 countries. We are one of Europe's foremost providers of information and communication technology services.
T-Systems started its operation in 2016. Our headquarters is in Pune. Our second office is in Bangalore.
With a capacity of over 2,000 employees across more than 22 delivery factories and center of excellences in India, we are the fastest growing provider of ICT and digital services to more than 100 T-Systems customers across the globe.
Our core competencies lie in ramping up next generation digital capabilities by combining talent and technology.
T-Systems India SAP practice, we are supporting more than 50 customers. These customers are in various industry verticals, and the projects what we are doing, they are of nature of SAP implementation, SAP applications and modernization, SAP migrations, as well as the operation projects.
We help customers by providing great value using AIOps amalgamated with site reliability engineering. It's a paradigm shift from traditional operations where we use AI, machine learning based analytics to make data-driven decisions, including predictability, real-time streaming, just-in-time, and proactive decision making.
Building a capability that embraces based on the strong engagement model. We are leading Deutsche Telekom's one of the first of its kind analytics-based platform to solve complex business needs.
With Do It Now, we are increasing the quality of products and services that we offer to our customers by standardizing and optimizing the diverse IT landscape that we have. With Project Now, we are introducing the next generation project management platform for agile, hybrid, and waterfall projects. With SD End-to-End, we are introducing zero-touch automation for software-defined networks for managing physical and virtual infrastructure.
Building new age digital platforms and incubating emerging cutting-edge technologies. India is at the forefront of our digital solutions with a focus on areas like agile DevOps-based ADM services, AR/VR, automation, big data, and AI. We bring customer centricity, digital transformation, and innovation to the table.
What makes T-Systems India? The emerging hero is our team of dedicated workforce.
Our strategy is to hire the best talent from the industry, and in the last 4 years we've been extremely successful in hunting the best talent in our leadership team and across delivery organizations. Our satisfaction level has been more than 85%. It speaks volume about our retention and engagement strategy.
Our headquarter office at Pune has been recently inaugurated, and it has been designed with the help of latest technologies to ensure employee safety. It comprises of multiple open spaces and collaboration areas to support agility. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we have ensured that all safety protocols and precautionary measures are implemented.
Our main focus is to achieve cost optimization and quality deliverables, and we are adhering to Deutsche Telekom compliance policies in our day-to-day operations.
The Deal Factory is a specialized team which brings together expertise for business domains, technologies, service delivery, as well as ability to consult. We have converted customer requirements into customer stories, which has meant bringing new business to T-Systems globally.
Within T-Systems India, we integrate different support functions such as finance, HR, and IT to enable our businesses to deliver excellent services to our customers.
Under the umbrella certifications of T-Systems International, T-Systems India is certified by the International Organization for Standardization, that's ISO, for every area of delivery. When we talk about our software development and maintenance business, we have adapted the best practices from the Agile framework, and the delivery being done extensively uses the Scrum and the Kanban methodologies.
Our resilient infrastructure design and our focus on security ensures that our critical network and systems remain on high availability and we encounter zero outages.
Our work culture integrates activities, workshops, cultural events, sports, and sessions. Motivation and passion is deeply rooted within each of us.
We believe that for every mission-critical program, having the right partner on your side is the most important success factor. Over 100 plus Customers trust us to be their partner of choice for their current and future business and IT requirements. They believe in T-Systems' ability as a globally integrated smart enabler for their digital enterprise. We look forward to building a long-term and mutually empowering robust partnership with you. Together, we make it happen. Together, we power higher performance.